Good morning, children. So we were doing with chapter 2 uses of computer. In the first video, we saw how computers are used in shops, supermarkets and banks. I hope you all have understood the first video. Today we are going to see some more interesting uses of computer. Today we shall see how computers are used in offices and schools. Offices. In offices, computers are used to keep records. It is also used to write letters. It is used to send and receive emails. So this is a picture given here. This is a picture of an office and these three persons are working on their computers in this office. So either they are recording information or they are writing letters or sending and receiving emails. So what do you mean by to keep records? To keep records meaning to store information. What information? Any project information in the office, any client information in the office, employee information. So all these information are stored in computers in offices. So computers in offices can be used to write letters. Some typing work can be done in offices using computers. Then email communication is there in offices. There can be email communication with clients, with different employees, other officials. Okay, so this way computers are used in offices. Now your parents, your elders, your uncles, aunts, they might be using computers in their offices. So you can have a discuss, you can take help and guidance from them. You can discuss with them what work they do on computers in their offices. Okay, so the next is schools. Now this is little interesting. Okay, so as you all are school children and you have already seen and used computers in schools in class 1. Okay, so now let's see. In schools, computers are used for various purposes, such as computers are used for teaching students in an interesting way. So teachers use smart class for showing you some images, for some videos. Okay, nowadays we are doing online teaching. We are using our mobiles, we are using laptops, computers, okay, for teaching. So computers are used for teaching. Then you have also used computer labs for doing some computer practicals, and we have taught you on computers in labs, how to do typing, how to do drawing. So do you remember in class 1 we have done all this? Okay, now students use computers for calculations and to draw pictures. So there is calculator application in computers. The way you go to open MS Paint, WordPad, Notepad, same in accessories you have one calculator application. You can use that application for some calculations. So in this calculator application you can do addition, you can do subtraction, division, multiplication and many other operations you can do. So drawing pictures. So we have already used MS Paint in class 1 for drawing some basic shapes and pictures. So we can use computers for drawing pictures. Then printouts of various reports of the students and other information are taken through the computers. So various notices you have seen outside your classes on the notice boards. Then some communication if school has to do with your parents, then they send some notices. Then this books, your books also, pages, then books are also printed using computers. So This way computers are used in this case. Then computers help the teachers in preparing report cards. So teachers first enter your marks in computers, then those marks are printed as report cards. So you have seen your report cards. So those report cards are prepared using computers. So this we have seen how computers are used in schools. You might also have seen computers in libraries, in school offices. Okay, so there also computers are used. In libraries for storing the book information, your information, which books you have issued. Then in school office, when you go with your parents for paying fees, so your information is stored there in computers. So for paying fees also computers are used in schools. So this way computers are used in schools. So today we have seen how computers are used in offices and schools. So I shall end my today's session here. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.